Well, I got the insulation down. I got this first board laid down, so it's I gotta do a little trimming to get it in there just right. Use this leftover insulation to build a template for this box. I got it pretty good right here. So one side is ready to go. I'll get this all set up. Alright, let's see if this thing goes in. So far, looks like it's somewhat I have two holes I forgot about to tape. I don't want any water getting up on my wood. Alright, that one. Yeah, this one's already wet from my coffee I spilt the other day. Thankfully, I got some paper towels under here. Okay, very good. All right, let's see if I can get this to fit. Holy cow. Well, as you can see, I went in and it fits pretty nice, tight. So I'm gonna have to see why it's a little bubbly here in the middle, but maybe. Ah, my pocket knife is under there. All right. All right. Good, good, good. Boy. Whew. It looks good. I got one more piece back here. Then I can screw it down. Let's do 17. Is 17 gonna work here? Yeah, 17's gonna work. Alright, so I'm gonna draw this out on a piece, the dimensions here. And my marker. Oh, thank God I got that. Alright, so it's going to be like this. Going to be here, here, here. Here, here, here. Alright, so 17. $53.5. Inches. It's going to be about 2 inches. Yep. About 2 inches. Here, it's going to be about 1 3/4 inches. All right, cool. Let's go transpose that. Then we have to trace this and cut this down, and I'm just going to buzz that sawzall right across, and I don't care if it looks ugly because there's going to be a metal corner thing there. So all right, let's go cut it. Well, the one thing I just figured out is 53.5 inches. I don't have a piece that is 53.5 inches left over, so we're going to have to do this in 2 pieces. So now we'll use the factory edge to the factory edge. So it's going to look just like this. So I guess 48, a little short of 48. So we're going to have to cut in, you know what, so it's not a okay, subfloor is down and as level as it's going to get. I got the seams level, but you know, I got them so it doesn't dip down too much for the flooring in there. But yep, it's ready for flooring now.